Hi everyone, Big Pauly back for another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing The Walking Dead, the complete 8th season steelbook from Zavvi, with artwork by Jock. So let's open it up. We've got a nice picture of Ezekiel on the cover there, and that we can find exactly what we've got in the steelbook, and hope we don't have a damaged one. Okay, so taking the old foil off, so let's have a look at the J card itself. So as you can see there, we have all the bits and pieces necessary, and on the back here's all the specifications down the bottom here. Region B locked, and then we've got all the special features, bonus features in the middle there, and a bit about the series there, and a nice picture of Rick and Negan. And it's one of those J slips where it just slips inside. Okie dokie. So let's have a look at the steelbook itself, which looks very nice. Wow, nice picture of Ezekiel. The Walking Dead is actually debossed and in white, so that's very nice. It's kind of a matte feel as well, and we've got some nice zombie hands on the on the back there, and it's like half the artwork goes over the back as well, and on the bottom as well. And the spine, very nice spine. So let's have a look inside. Okay, oh, they've done a stacker. So let's take the discs out. We'll find out exactly how many discs we've got stacked. Oh, right, they're really stacking these. So it looks like 6 discs. Yes, 6 discs in a 2-disc holder. Wow, okie dokie. Some nice artwork inside there as well. So we have disc 6. And as you can see, the little hubs there, they are quite tall, so it can house 3 discs on there. Disc 5, Carol. And disc 4 there, with Daryl. So that's 3 discs contained. And then disc 3, with a mean looking Negan. Which won't go in the hub for some reason. There we go. Disc 2. And then disc 1 with Rick. There we go. So all housed. To be perfectly honest, I'd rather have it like this rather than what I'll show you in a moment. And it matches the entire previous 7 seasons. So, and I'll just quickly go through the other seasons that I've got, even though they don't seem to be in order. Okie dokie. Okay, so season 1 with Rick on the cover there. And then we've got season 2. That's Daryl. Yes, that's Daryl. Season 3, the 3rd season. That's the 3rd season there with Michonne. But originally, that was the 3rd season, which was a jumbo. But I managed to pick up the slimmed down version from Amazon in France. So I'd much rather go with the slimmed down version. So that's the 3rd season. Oh yes, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, And the 4th season with the Governor. 5th season with Carol. And 6th season with Glenn. 7th season had to be Negan, didn't it? And then we have the 8th season there with Ezekiel. Now, if I put these all side to side, you can get a good look of what they look like stacked. So very nice. I love it when they match. And I love the Jock artwork as well. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of my Walking Dead complete 8th season Steelbook. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.